Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining this today's session. And today I will show you top 5 use case of AWS Lambda, what all purpose we can use AWS Lambda. And in my previous video, I have already demonstrated all these 5 use case. So guys, I will give those link to this video description. Please have a look at. So one use case like AWS step function. What basically step function is we can manage our workflow, right? Suppose in big data, right? If you guys heard about UG job, right? UG job is kind of workflow management system, right? So similar kind of thing, like if you would like to manage, right? Suppose you have multiple tasks, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, right? That sequence execution, which task first has to be executed first, then from there, which next task has to be executed, right? So that workflow management, if you would like to manage, then by using step function, we can manage it. And this step function, basically we used in that today's use case machine learning or might be big data management, right? Those purpose we can use it. What could be the next? Next is the serverless like cron job, right? If you would like to automate anything like cron job, what basically it is we can schedule our job, whatever job you would like to execute, right? By using this Lambda, right? We can schedule our job by using this cron job. And in my previous video, I already have demonstrated what could be the cron job syntax and how we can schedule that cron job. So that purpose basically in our previous video, what we demonstrated automatically we can start and stop EC2 instance by using Python, Boto3, Lambda, right? And we can use here CloudWatch, okay? That event bridge, okay? By using these all these component, we can achieve this automated serverless cron job, okay? And what could be the next? Next, file upload processing, right? Suppose this use case basically suppose your application is running different region, right? And Virginia or Oregon or maybe different availability zone, right? And you have one common what I can say S3 bucket, and that bucket has to be synced whenever different region file are uploading to their specific region, right? Then from that particular specific region to your target bucket, right? If you would like to upload those files, right? Then that purpose we can use this as soon as that file is uploaded to that source bucket, right? Then we can copy that source bucket to target bucket by using this what I can say S3 event trigger by using this Lambda, right? In my previous video, I have already demonstrated these two, this one also. So I will give this link in the video description. Next is Lambda, we can use as a, suppose if you would like to use Lambda function as a REST API, right? Endpoint. Suppose your application need access something by using this Lambda, or maybe Lambda has to process something. Once that process is done, then that app server will get some info, and by using that info, app server will do that app server business logic, right? So in that case, you need that Lambda function as a REST API endpoint. So if you need, right, then if by using that API gateway, we can create our Lambda function as a REST API. And by using that endpoint, we can achieve whatever we need, right? So for that purpose, we can use that this AWS API gateway with Lambda, so that you can whatever functionality you would like to do, right, you can do. So this also I have already demonstrated in my previous video. I will give this link to in this video description. And what next? This is event processing, right? Event processing in the sense suppose you would like to send a email notification kind of thing, right? Suppose email, or maybe you would like to send a mobile SMS, or maybe you would like to do application to application, some event management, right? Some notification you would like to share, right? For that purpose, what we can do, trigger the Lambda by using AWS SNS, right? For that purpose, we can use this Lambda also like SNS topic. So this also I have already demonstrated in my previous video. I will give this link also to this video description, guys. Please have a look at that. So these all are the top most 5 use cases. We can use the Lambda function in our real life scenario, in our real life work, day-to-day work, whatever work we are doing in our day-to-day, right? For that purpose, we can use this AWS Lambda. And this is not the limitation of this 5 use case. There are could be multiple use case. We can use this like a batch processing if you would like to process batch, or maybe there are different kind of use case. It is there. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you like this session, then I would like to request you guys, please subscribe and share with your friend and like. to support this channel. And by the time we'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.